I'm dying of plus noun. I'm dying of HIV. I'm dying of joy. I'm dying of envy. I'm dying of stress. I'm dying of love. I'm dying of fear. I'm dying of cold. I'm dying of heat. I'm dying of anger. I'm dying of a cut. I'm dying of polio. I'm dying of is a way people express really strong feelings or experiences, but it doesn't mean they're actually dying. They're just showing how much they like something or how it makes them feel. I'm dying of Ebola. I'm dying of a cold. I'm dying of cancer. I'm dying of a burn. I'm dying of a burn. I'm dying of asthma. I'm dying of a rash. I'm dying of herpes. I'm dying of hunger. I'm dying of stress. I'm dying of rabies. I'm dying of cholera. I'm dying of boredom. I'm dying of a fever. I'm dying of a cough. I'm dying of sunburn. I'm dying of the flu. I'm dying of the flu. I'm dying of malaria. I'm dying of anxiety. I'm dying of tetanus. I'm dying of sadness. I'm dying of leprosy. I'm dying of syphilis. I'm dying of laziness. I'm dying of jealousy. I'm dying of glaucoma. I'm dying of a bruise. I'm dying of COVID-19. I'm dying of jaundice. I'm dying of a sprain. I'm dying of diabetes. I'm dying of laughter. I'm dying of pneumonia. I'm dying of the mumps. I'm dying of hepatitis. I'm dying of happiness. I'm dying of allergies. I'm dying of allergies. I'm dying of arthritis. I'm dying of a blister. I'm dying of confusion. I'm dying of curiosity. I'm dying of gonorrhea. I'm dying of depression. I'm dying of excitement. I'm dying of a headache. I'm dying of impatience. I'm dying of meningitis. I'm dying of bronchitis. I'm dying of a backache. I'm dying of a backache. I'm dying of exhaustion. I'm dying of frustration. I'm dying of Alzheimer's. I'm dying of Parkinson's. I'm dying of the measles. I'm dying of a toothache. I'm dying of a bee sting. I'm dying of a bee sting. I'm dying of tuberculosis. I'm dying of lung disease. I'm dying of dengue fever. I'm dying of fibromyalgia. I'm dying of a sore throat. I'm dying of endometriosis. I'm dying of heart disease. I'm dying of blood disease. I'm dying of liver disease. I'm dying of a broken bone. I'm dying of a stomach ache. I'm dying of embarrassment. I'm dying of embarrassment. I'm dying of kidney disease. I'm dying of celiac disease. I'm dying of chickenpox. I'm dying of a mosquito bite. I'm dying of a mental illness. I'm dying of a viral infection. I'm dying of digestive disease. I'm dying of a fungal infection. I'm dying of ulcerative colitis. I'm dying of multiple sclerosis. I'm dying of a whooping cough. I'm dying of a chronic condition. I'm dying of rheumatoid arthritis. I'm dying of a bacterial infection. I'm dying of a parasitic infection. I'm dying of chronic fatigue syndrome. I'm dying of irritable bowel syndrome. I'm dying of POSE, polycystic ovary syndrome. I'm dying of with a disease or illness. When people use the phrase I'm dying of with a disease or illness, it's still an exaggerated way to say that they're feeling very, very sick or uncomfortable because of that disease.